How to change language in Chrome on mobile. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Google Chrome and then click on the three dots at the top right of the screen. Then click on settings. And here you want to scroll down to the advanced section, and from there click on languages. And here you will be able to change a lot of languages within the Google Chrome app. For example, you can change the Chrome's language itself, you can change the content languages, you can change even the translation language. However, for the sake of this video, we will be looking on how to change the Google Chrome app language. So click on the first option that says Chrome's language, and here you will find a large list of languages that you can choose from. So go ahead and choose any one you want. Say for example, I'm going to choose the Français. Click on it. Once you do that, the language, if it's not already downloaded, it will be downloaded. And once it's ready, you will need to restart the Chrome app by clicking on the bottom right of the screen as it says restart Chrome. And once the app restarted, the language will be changed to that specific one that you have chosen. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change language on Google Chrome. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.